So conditional formatting lets you look at your data in different ways. The first thing you have to do, as you can see that I've done here, is select the data. Then I go up to my conditional formatting menu, and I've got lots of different ways I can look at things. I can go to highlight cell rules, and I can pick out anything, let's say anything that's greater than $200. And it's going to highlight everything for me that's greater than $200. I can pick the color. I can change. Now maybe I want to look at everything that's greater than $500 and see what I've got. So it's going to highlight those things for me. Or I can come back to conditional formatting and pick any one of these things, dates, or it's between two figures. I can look at top and bottom rooms. What are the top 10 items? And it's going to pull them out for me. I can look at the bottom 10 items. I can create data bars. So I'll do just a gradient fill so I can kind of look at them. We'll use pink ones. I'm not going to, well, I'll go ahead and do that. Okay. So I can see data bars as to what the cost is and what the total sales are, which I've got the most of. So I can do that. I can do color scales. I can do icon sets. So lots of times this is a really great one, so I can see what's going down and what's going up and in between and so on and so forth. So anything under conditional formatting, you first check select the data, and then you pick one of these particular rules under conditional formatting. I can clear all the rules here if I want to. I just actually went back and said undo just because I made it easier.